We took a trip to visit the newly constructed 6th Street Bridge in downtown Los Angeles and scooter across. The 6th Street Viaduct was demolished in 2016 due to structural issues. The new bridge reopened in 2022, so we were eager to visit it. We parked on a street under the bridge. There was a spiral ramp access to the top of the bridge. There was even a walkway that took us under the bridge to the other side of traffic, which was really fun to ride on. We finally got to the top of the bridge, and the views were incredible. As the sidewalk is completely barricaded from the street, we felt very safe scootering along the bridge. We made it down to the Arts District end and crossed the street to go back up the bridge again on the other side. After stopping a bit to take in the view, we rode back to the pedestrian ramp. And rode the spiral back down to our car, which was a lot more fun than riding up. Whether walking, scootering, skating, or even biking, the new 6th Street Bridge is a fun outing with great city views.